A C++ program generally follows a specific structure, which includes the following key components. Preprocessor directives. The program may include preprocessor directives, which start with a hash symbol, hash. These directives are processed before the actual compilation of the code and are used to include header files or perform conditional compilation. Header files. The header files contain function and class declarations, constant definitions, and other essential information needed for the program. They are included using preprocessor directives. Main function, main. Every C++ program must have a main function, which serves as the entry point of the program. The execution of the program begins from this function. Global declarations, variables and constants that need to be accessed throughout the program can be declared at the global scope, outside any function. Function definitions. Functions that are defined in the program are typically placed after the main function. Function definitions provide the implementation of the functions declared in the header files. Class definitions. If the program uses classes and object-oriented programming, the class definitions are placed in the program, along with their member function definitions. User-defined functions. Apart from the main function, the program may define other user-defined functions to perform specific tasks. Statements and expressions. The core logic of the program is written as a series of statements and expressions. These statements can be control flow statements, e.g., if, else, for, while, etc., or simple assignment and arithmetic expressions. Comments. Comments are used to explain the code and improve its readability. In C++, comments can be single-line, or multi-line, asterisk. Here's a general structure of a C++ program. It's important to note that the structure may vary depending on the complexity of the program and the programming style used. However, the basic components listed above are present in almost all C++ programs.